Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas Sir. The Hindu editorial heading is Wrong Turn. First article related to farmers' agitation and return to talks without their maximalist approach. This article is very important for us. ये आर्टिकल आपके काफ़ी दुखदायक है. आप लोगों को पता होगा कि जो हमारे फार्मर्स हैं वहाँ पे क्या दिल्ली में जाके काफ़ी वायलेंस क्रिएट किया है. सारा आर्टिकल दिस इज आर्टिकल रिलेटेड टू फार्मर्स. ओके, इसको 100 वर्ड पर मिनट इसकी डिक्टेशन को हम करेंगे. बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. द चोज एंड माइंडलेस वायलेंस एंड अनलीज्ड on the national capital by a section of protesting farmers on Republic Day were abhorrent. It is a plausible that agents, provocators infiltrated the farmers' march, but that does not absolve the leaders of responsibility. The chances of fatigue agitators breaking loose were high, as were the possibilities of vested interests triggering violence. The leaders of the agitation should have taken note of the divergence in the rank and the rejection by certain amount deviation by a handful, but there is judgment to be made at each turn. The leadership itself, an association of disparate individuals and organizations, should have been more realistic about its capacity to manage such a gathering. In the end, unruly elements took over the streets of Delhi. They broke barricades, thrashed and tried to mow down police personnel. The police resorted to lathi charge and used tear gas, but given the circumstances, showed restraint. More than 300 personnel were injured, at least 40 of them seriously. All this and the march itself was avoidable. The Delhi police must investigate and hold to account individuals and groups responsible for the violence. Farmer leaders have the uninevitable task of cooperating with the police in the investigation. False friends and real enemies of the agitators have painted them with a communal brush. Bringing the culprits to book is essential not only to salvage the reputation of an agitation that had remained largely peaceful for nearly 2 months, but also to nip in the bud of a dangerous communal slant before it slips out of control. The center has said it would continue to engage the protesters in negotiations. The offer of the government to keep in abeyance for up to 18 months the 3 controversial farm laws that are all at the heart of the current phase of remains an opportunity for the leaders to seek a negotiated settlement. The agitators want the laws to go lock, stock and barrel, but their maximalist approach is unhelpful. They must discontinue the protest for now and disperse, while reserving the option of restarting it later. They should consider options short of a complete repeal of the law. The center must consider more concessions, including the suspension of the laws until a broader agreement can be arrived at. It must make more efforts to allay the fears of those most affected by these reforms. The center's imperious refusal to engage with political parties and state governments on critical questions of agriculture reforms has come back to haunt it. The resolution to this impasse can come only by involving them all. Full stop. 460 वर्ड 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको आप मैच कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.